Now, breaking news coming in at the moment over cough syrup deaths. An SIT has been formed, is what we're learning. A special SIT is set to travel to Chennai. Action against the Tamil Nadu Pharma Company is expected to take place soon as well. The Chhindwara SP has said that the accused doctor, Praveen Soni, I beg your pardon, has been detained and is in custody. Medical shops in Chhindwara are being raided as we speak. Raids, remember, are taking place after 11 kids had died in Chhindwara district in Madhya Pradesh due to cough syrups.
जैसा कि आपको विदित होगा कि कुछ दिन पहले छिंदवाड़ा के परासर सब डिवीज़न में बच्चों की असामयिक मौत का एक कुछ घटनाएं सामने आई थी, जिसमें कि इनिशियली बच्चों को खांसी सर्दी बुखार की शिकायत होती थी और फाइनली किडनी पे उसका असर होता था और वो रीनल फेलियर की तरफ चले जाते थे, उससे उनकी डेथ हुई है। फर्दर उसमें जो एक डॉक्टर हैं, डॉक्टर प्रवीण सोनी, क्योंकि उनके द्वारा मैक्सिमम बच्चों का जो इसमें इलाज किया गया था और उनके द्वारा जो ये ड्रग है, जो प्रतिबंधित ड्रग है कोल्ड्रिफ, इसको जो प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया था, तो उनके प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के आधार पर जो ट्रीटमेंट उन्होंने जो दिया है बच्चे के, उस आधार पर उनको भी इसमें आरोपी बनाया गया है। और इसके अतिरिक्त जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है तमिलनाडु की, श्रेसान फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, उनको भी जो इसमें जो है मुख्य रूप से आरोपी बनाया गया।
My colleague Niharika joins us with more details. Niharika, now we're learning that the accused doctor is now in custody. There's no arrest that's been made yet, but he is in police custody is what we're learning, and an SIT having been formed after the death of 11 children.
Very right. As we know that the SP Ajay Pandey has taken a press conference, and that he has mentioned that the Dr. Praveen Soni, who is currently being accused for all the deaths of the children, is now in the custody of police. He's not been arrested because, as we know, if he was being arrested, then within 24 hours he has to be produced in the court. But as he is not yet arrested, he is in custody, so he'll be arrested afterwards, and then he'll be produced in the court because today court is being closed. And also along with that, a special SIT is being made, who will be which team will be going to the Chennai, and they'll be doing further processings there. But at present we are here at the Padam complex. Here there is a shop named Ayush Pharma, where the drug inspectors team has arrived, and you can see in the pictures that they are raiding here. A team of drug inspectors has reached the Padam complex and Ayush Pharma for inspection. The team is interrogating the pharmacy owner and collecting samples of all the medicines available here in the shop. 2 cartons of syrup have been seized by the team, because in those cartons there was the cough syrup Coldriff, and from those cartons they have picked up around 7 to 8 sample bottles in which they are investigating those team. A 4-member team has arrived at Padam complex for the investigation, and along with this there is also one location where team has arrived, and team is also investigating another pharmacy owner there itself. Also along with this, they are even inspecting and taking samples of the another medicines also. You can see that there are 4 team members present here, and along with that 2 members from the pharmacy shop. They are also interrogating and asking questions about the syrups, those who are here present in the carton. They are also even asking that where these syrups have come from, where they have ordered it, and why Coldriff kind of syrup is here in this much quantity. Was there any specific doctor who asked for these syrups? Also they are interrogating the pharmacy owner along with the company owners from where they have asked these syrups to come. As you can see, the members, those who have come here from Jabalpur, they are seizing many kind of medicines here, and along with this, since last 4 days they are doing this thing here in Chhindwara itself. As we are seeing that the numbers are increasing of the deaths, after which now the drug inspector teams are also even going to the house where the children died after consuming these contaminated syrups. Other than this, now the team is here present at a pharmaceutical shop. Here the team has come from Jabalpur, and they are seizing all kind of medicines, and also those kind of medicines which were given along with Coldriff syrup to the children, those who have died after consuming it. As you can see that the carton which is here in the hand of the pharmacy owner, he is he's the one who is being interrogated by the team who has come here to seize all these kind of medicines. There is a register kept on the table. They are mentioning everything in that, and along with the things, they are even putting up the dates when the syrup was being ordered, when the syrup has arrived, how many people are there who have bought this syrup, was there any specific doctor who asked for the syrup, those who are, which is kept here on the table. There were 2 cartons in which all the cold syrup bottles were kept. They have also seized those syrups. You can see the carton which is here in the hand of the pharmacy owner. That is the carton in which cold syrup is kept. Also, you can see the bottle there near the desktop. It has been kept, and that is the cold syrup which is being seized here. Along with that, the another medicines, those who are here in the stack, they are also investigating those syrups. They are even taking the syrups in the light and also seeing that are the syrups expired or it is not, or what kind of medicine they are even giving. Is the prescription they are the people bringing the prescription of cold syrup? If they are bringing the prescription of cold syrup, then who is the doctor those who is prescribing it? Is there any age mentioned? Because as we see, one order was passed in 2023 which was clearly stated that anybody should not be prescribing this kind of medicine for 4 years or children those who are less than 4 years. But still Dr. Praveen Soni prescribed many people, many children this kind of syrup which is cold syrup. And now as we see that MP team has also investigated the syrup in which it is mentioned that 46% diethylene glycol was mixed in the syrup, because consuming which the children have died, and 7 children are still there on ventilator in Nagpur, those who are fighting for their lives. Yes.